Today's gonna be a little bit of everything. We're gonna start off with, of course, coffee, but then shopping, spending some time volunteering with the sweetest kittens, and then celebrating my mother-in-law's birthday with a surprise element. It's gonna be a full, fun day, so come along with us. Hi, vlog. We've been waiting for my mother-in-law to go to sleep because we're celebrating her birthday tomorrow, so we bought a bunch of stuff. She's like a huge Lakers fan, so we decided that we're gonna decorate everything in Lakers colors. We even made her a custom bouquet of yellow and purple, so we're gonna take you with us. We're gonna do a whole celebration tomorrow. We're gonna bring you along with us.
It feels like it's midnight, but it's like not even 10 o'clock.
Yeah, we're ready to go to bed.
I'm so tired.
We're gonna do this quickly and we're gonna wrap it up. We just set everything up. We got her this cool Lakers mug. We got her a plant, of course a card, a candle, and these beautiful flowers.
Jessy made the bouquet.
And then we put up this banner. That was kind of hard to do.
Don't judge us. It's very homemade. It's very cute. My mom will. It's something that only a mother can. We're going to bed. We'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. Also, we got her some chocolate because this is like one of our favorite things to get from Trader Joe's, and she's always talking about how luscious it looks, so we decided to get her one too. Okay, we're going to bed for real this time. Woo! We picked up the coffee order. It's 7:30. What did you get? You got the pumpkin caramel.
Pumpkin caramel brulee. It's amazing. Pumpkin and caramel, and then the soft top has caramel sauce and freaking raw sugar.
Yeah.
It's so good. Jessy got her usual?
Yeah, got my usual.
Iced vanilla latte. Protein milk?
No.
Oat milk.
Oat milk.
Iced caramel latte.
Yeah.
That's her new usual.
It's my new usual. So now we're gonna deliver these and
To my mother.
go on with the day.
Yes.
We kind of rode off H&M, but look at this cool hoodie, crew neck, and this cool bomber jacket that we found. I think it's just a straight shot. Let's see. We just finished shopping and we were like, it was too hot, first of all, to be recording. I feel like anything.
Yeah, we went to like outlets and they're like outdoor.
Yeah.
So
It was
hot. It's 99.
It's 99 degrees today, so we got some cute stuff we'll show you later for our upcoming trip. And if you can guess in the comments where we're going, you'll get a surprise emoji. Quick pit stop. We gotta come take care of the kitties. Hi, this is Louise. She's 6 months old. And then we have Mookie. Mookie is 7 months old, female. And Nina, how old is she? 2 to 3. It's a female. You're so pretty. And this is Layla, sleepy girl. She's 4 months old. I'm like about to take you home. You're so precious. Look at this sweet baby.
She's so pretty.
You're so cutie. Oh my god.
She's really pretty, babe. This little baby.
Little baby. Fit check. We're about to go to dinner and celebrate. I'm doing an all black. Bee's in her goddess outfit.
All purple goddess outfit from Bali, baby.
We are ready to go to dinner. Hello everyone, it is the next day because we were exhausted from running around, but as promised, we're going to show you our haul that we got. So, I got this black cropped hoodie from Abercrombie and it's so soft. And then I got another one in a camo print that I absolutely love for our upcoming trip. I also got this, like, what would you call this, a trucker jacket?
I don't know.
Sure, we'll go with trucker jacket. I found this really cute flannel that goes really well with it.
So cutie.
And then I put together an outfit for B, so I want you to imagine this, okay? So I thought this crew neck was so cute and we're gonna share it because I'm gonna steal it. And paired with this skirt with like some black like sheer tights. I was like, wait, what am I even saying? And then like her docks. I think it would be like such a cute outfit with the right accessories. So that's our haul, and let us know in the comments if you would cop any of these things.